Best practices in using electronic signature software. Here are some best practices to follow when using electronic signature software. Ensure legal compliance, use secure authentication, maintain audit trails, ensure document integrity, use customizable workflows. Ensure legal compliance. Before using electronic signatures, it is important to ensure that the software you choose complies with relevant laws and regulations. This includes laws such as the Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce (design) Act in the United States and the IDAS regulation in the European Union. Use secure authentication. To ensure the security of electronic signatures, it is important to use secure authentication methods to verify the identity of signers. Look for software that supports multi-factor authentication and encryption to protect signature data. Maintain audit trails. Keep detailed records of all electronic signatures, including information such as the date and time of the signature, the signer's identity, and the document signed. This will help you track signature history, ensure compliance, and provide an audit trail if needed. Ensure document integrity. Use electronic signature software that includes features such as document hash values or digital fingerprints to ensure the integrity of signed documents. This will help prevent unauthorized changes to signed documents. Use customizable workflows. Look for electronic signature software that allows you to customize signature workflows to meet your specific needs. This includes features such as signature routing, document templates, and approval workflows. By following these best practices, you can use electronic signature software to streamline document signing, improve security and compliance, and reduce processing time and costs.